Losing muscle after 60 isn't just common, it's expected. But with just a few small daily tweaks, you can fight back without leaving your kitchen. You're definitely not alone, and it's not your fault. As we age, our bodies lose muscle through something called sarcopenia. It often starts quietly. Maybe stairs feel steeper, or groceries feel heavier than they used to. But this isn't just about strength. It's about staying active, confident, and independent, doing the things you love without hesitation. Here's the good news. You don't need expensive treatments or complicated workouts. In fact, some of the best muscle-saving tools might already be in your pantry. In today's video, you'll discover 3 natural powders that help rebuild muscle, ease inflammation, and boost recovery, backed by real science. And if you've been eating well and exercising, but still feel stuck, this could be the missing piece. So don't miss it, because these small changes might be the biggest step toward a stronger, more confident you. Before you begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment where you're watching. Remember to subscribe to receive more natural health tips and share your thoughts in the comments. It's always a pleasure to see the reach of our community. 1. Whey protein powder. Let's start with a natural supplement that's not just supported by research, but has also remained reliable over time. Whey protein powder. Now, if the first thing that comes to mind when you hear whey protein is young gym goers or athletes, don't worry. That reaction is completely normal. But here's something very few people realize. Whey protein isn't only for bodybuilders. In fact, for adults over 60, it can become one of the easiest and most powerful allies for preserving and rebuilding muscle. As we grow older, our bodies naturally lose muscle through a process known as sarcopenia. This happens to everyone, even if you stay active and eat reasonably well. What makes things tricky is that the body becomes less efficient at using the protein we eat to repair muscle. So even when you think you're eating enough, your muscles may still not be receiving the full support they require. This is where whey protein truly stands out. Whey is considered a complete protein, meaning it offers all 9 essential amino acids your body can't produce alone. But what really sets it apart is its high level of leucine, an amino acid that plays a major role in something called muscle protein synthesis. That's your body's natural mechanism for restoring and rebuilding muscle after activity. Without enough leucine, it's like trying to construct a house without nails. Nothing stays together. Whey provides that boost quickly and efficiently. What's impressive is how simple it is to incorporate. You don't need an expensive gym membership. You don't have to lift heavy weights. Just taking a brisk walk, doing gentle stretching, or using light resistance bands at home is enough to signal your body to start repairing. And when you follow that movement with a serving of whey protein, that's when the real benefits kick in. Timing matters far more than most people realize. Drinking a whey shake within 30 to 60 minutes after activity gives your body the nutrients it needs to mend and strengthen muscle tissue right when it needs them most. That's why many seniors add it to their morning routine, even on days they rest, because consistency creates long-term progress. It helps support balance, strength, and endurance. When choosing whey protein, look for something clean and high quality. Ideally, select a product that's either whey protein isolate or grass-fed whey concentrate. These kinds tend to be easier to digest, lower in lactose, and rich in pure protein without unnecessary fillers. Be careful with brands that include artificial sweeteners, gums, or strange-sounding additives. Your body deserves better. Aim for at least 20 g of protein per scoop, which is enough to trigger that rebuilding process in aging muscles. Now, let's talk about flavor and convenience. Since you'll likely use it often, it should taste pleasant and be effortless to prepare. Many older adults simply mix whey with cold water or almond milk for a quick shake. If you enjoy smoothies, try blending it with half a banana, a handful of spinach, and some frozen berries. That way, you're not only getting protein, but also fiber, nutrients, and antioxidants in one refreshing drink. Some people even stir it into their morning oatmeal for a filling, muscle-supporting breakfast that keeps them energized for hours. And here's another perk. Whey protein doesn't just help your muscles, it also supports your immune system, keeps you feeling full longer so you snack less, and can even help balance blood sugar levels. Research shows that older adults who incorporate whey protein into their daily routine, especially those who weren't getting enough protein from meals, often experience noticeable improvements in muscle mass, strength, and overall energy. It's one of those simple additions that can lead to powerful, long-lasting benefits. So if you've been feeling weaker recently, or you simply want to stay strong and self-sufficient for as many years as possible, whey protein may be the missing element you didn't realize you needed. And remember, this isn't about getting bulky or changing your appearance. It's about keeping your legs strong enough for stairs, your arms strong enough for groceries, and your body capable enough to enjoy the activities you love. Growing older shouldn't mean slowing down. It just means your body needs a little extra support to thrive. 2 collagen peptides. Now, let's focus on something that rarely gets the recognition it deserves when it comes to maintaining muscle health after 60. Collagen peptides. When most people hear the word collagen, they immediately think of skin lotions or anti-aging products, right? But collagen is far more than a beauty ingredient. It's actually one of the key structural proteins in your entire system. It keeps everything connected, from your joints and tendons to your bones and muscles. And here's the truth. As the years go by, your body naturally produces less collagen. This decline usually begins around your mid-20s, but the drop becomes much more noticeable once you pass 50 or 60. That's when you might feel stiffness in your knees when you stand up, or that dull ache in your hips after a simple walk. Maybe your balance feels slightly off, or your recovery after light activity seems slower than it should. These subtle warning signs are often related to collagen depletion, not just the loss of muscle, because your muscles don't work on their own. They depend on strong tendons, ligaments, and connective tissues to perform properly. And that's exactly where collagen peptides make a difference. Collagen peptides are a specialized form of collagen that has been broken down or hydrolyzed into tiny fragments your body can absorb with ease. They contain amino acids like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, which act as the raw materials your body uses to repair and rebuild connective tissues. When you take collagen peptides consistently, you reinforce the structures that support your muscles, almost like tightening the bolts and beams inside a house. This improves not just strength, but also stability, mobility, and confidence in your movements. That's why many older adults who begin taking collagen report things like, "I can finally stand up without pushing off the chair," or "I can walk longer without that constant joint discomfort." It's not magic, but over time, it can be a genuine game changer. So how do you use it? It's surprisingly easy. Most collagen peptide powders are almost completely flavorless, have no smell, and dissolve in hot or cold liquids without any effort. You can add a scoop to your morning coffee, mix it into a smoothie, or even stir it into soup or oatmeal. No hassle, no strange taste. For best results, try aiming for 10 to 20 grams per day, depending on your individual needs. The secret is consistency. Taking it once or twice won't create much change, but using it daily for several weeks or months can noticeably improve the way you feel and move. And the benefits don't stop with muscles. Collagen has also been linked to reduced joint discomfort, better bone support, and improved skin elasticity and hydration. So you may not only feel better, you might find yourself moving more comfortably and even looking a bit more refreshed. When buying a collagen supplement, choose high-quality sources. Look for powders made from grass-fed, pasture-raised cattle or wild-caught marine collagen. These options tend to be cleaner and richer in essential nutrients. And pay attention to whether the product includes vitamin C, or simply pair your collagen with a glass of orange juice. Vitamin C plays a vital role in helping your body actually use the collagen you consume. Without it, the effects are reduced. Another tip: if you take calcium or magnesium, you can use them alongside collagen for added support to your bones and joints. If you've been holding back from physical activity because of stiff joints, irritated tendons, or the fear of hurting something, collagen may be the missing support your body has been needing. Many seniors give up walking, gardening, dancing, or gentle stretching simply because their body doesn't feel the same. But aging doesn't mean abandoning movement. It just means giving your body extra care. Collagen peptides offer that care quietly and steadily, strengthening the internal framework that helps your muscles work properly, your joints move smoothly, and your confidence come back. It's like giving your body the materials it needs to feel more like itself again, without prescriptions or complicated routines. At the end of the day, taking care of your muscles after 60 isn't only about lifting weights or eating more protein. It's also about supporting the essential tissues that hold everything together. Collagen peptides supply the building blocks your body requires to stay strong, mobile, and balanced. And honestly, that translates into more freedom. Freedom to move, play with your grandkids, travel, garden, or simply live on your own terms. Getting older doesn't mean getting frail. It means understanding what your body needs and giving it the support it deserves. If you're finding this helpful so far, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming tips for staying active and healthy. And if you have a question or something you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. We're here for you and would love to hear from you. 3. Spirulina powder. And now, let's focus on an incredible natural superfood that often gets overlooked: spirulina powder. This deep green, blue-tinted algae has existed for hundreds of years, yet only recently has it become popular in the wellness community for its remarkable benefits, especially for people over 60. Spirulina may seem simple at first sight, but it's actually one of the most nutrient-packed foods on Earth. It's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body relies on to rebuild and maintain muscle. That alone makes it a huge advantage, particularly for seniors who don't eat much meat or who find heavier protein sources harder to digest. For older adults who are vegetarian, vegan, or simply want a lighter and more natural source of protein, spirulina gives an easy way to nourish muscle tissue and stay strong without needing to cook a large meal. But what truly makes spirulina stand out isn't just the protein. It's the concentration of potent micronutrients in every serving. One of the most important is iron. Many people don't realize how essential iron is for proper muscle performance and daily energy. Iron supports the production of hemoglobin, which transports oxygen through your bloodstream. And without enough oxygen reaching your muscles, even basic tasks like climbing stairs, rising from a chair, or taking a walk can feel draining. Low iron often leads to that heavy-legged sensation or mild shortness of breath during simple movement. That's why seniors, especially women, or those with a history of anemia, should be mindful of their iron intake. Spirulina offers a gentle, plant-based source of iron that's much easier on the stomach than many man-made supplements and doesn't trigger constipation like traditional iron tablets often do. It also helps promote healthy red blood cell formation, directly boosting stamina, vitality, and overall endurance. But spirulina's benefits don't stop there. This microalgae is rich in magnesium, potassium, calcium, and B vitamins, nutrients that are crucial for muscle strength, nerve communication, and cellular energy. If you've ever experienced muscle cramps, restless legs, or a sluggish feeling, those can signal low magnesium or potassium. Spirulina provides both in a natural, highly absorbable form your body can use immediately. Another major advantage is spirulina's signature antioxidant called phycocyanin. This pigment is responsible for spirulina's deep blue-green tone, and it plays a powerful role in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. That matters because chronic, low-level inflammation is one of the hidden forces behind muscle decline, joint discomfort, and accelerated aging. Phycocyanin shields your cells from damage and supports faster muscle repair. helping you recover better, even from light activities like gardening or a long walk. Spirulina is also known to boost nitric oxide levels, helping blood vessels relax and expand. This improves circulation, especially to the arms and legs, making it great for people who deal with cold extremities, muscle tightness, or fatigue caused by poor blood flow. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles, allowing them to work more efficiently and stay healthy as you age. If you're wondering how to add spirulina to your routine, the good news is that it's simple. Start with half a teaspoon per day and slowly increase to a full teaspoon. It comes in powder and tablet form. The powder is more versatile, but has a strong, earthy flavor that may require some adjustment. A helpful trick is mixing it with citrus juices like orange or pineapple, or blending it with lemon or ginger to soften the taste and add extra benefits. You can blend it into smoothies with banana and spinach or stir it into soup or salad dressing. If the flavor doesn't work for you, the tablets are completely fine, easy, tasteless, and convenient. The key is consistency. Like collagen, spirulina works best when used daily. It isn't about instant results. It's about gently supporting your body long-term so you feel stronger, more energized, and more capable. When buying spirulina, always choose organic, third-party tested brands. Because spirulina grows in water, it's crucial to make sure it's free from heavy metals, contaminants, and harmful bacteria. Look for companies that clearly state where their spirulina is grown, preferably in clean, controlled places like Hawaii or California. Don't just pick the cheapest option. Quality truly matters. High-quality spirulina not only improves muscle recovery and reduces inflammation, it also delivers light detox support, stronger immunity, and overall better vitality. It's like giving your body a natural multivitamin and protein boost in one simple scoop. Spirulina may be tiny, but its benefits are significant, especially if you're over 60 and want to stay active, independent, and full of energy. Imagine feeling less sore after walking, having more afternoon energy, or finally getting through the day without that heavy, dragging sensation. This simple green powder can be one of the easiest and most affordable ways to support your health. It's natural, effective, and works without relying on synthetic pills or complicated routines. Give it a chance and notice how your body responds. So here's the takeaway. Getting older doesn't mean losing your strength or accepting a constant feeling of weakness. You deserve to feel good in your own body, to move with confidence, and to keep enjoying the activities you love. The truth is, your muscles can still grow, heal, and become stronger, even after 60. All you need is the right support, a bit of patience, and consistent care. These natural powders, whey protein, collagen, peptides, and spirulina aren't just trendy supplements. They're simple, natural, research-supported tools that help your body feel energized, stable, and better nourished every single day. If you've ever felt like your strength is slipping, remember it's not too late. You can begin with small, easy habits today and rebuild from the inside out. And these powders are a gentle way to start. Try adding one to your morning routine this week and see how your body reacts. And if this video gave you helpful insights or taught you something new, please give it a thumbs up so more older adults can benefit from it too. Thanks so much for watching and spending this time with us. Your health matters, and I'm glad you're part of this journey. If this information was useful, hit the like button, share it with someone who could benefit, and don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you stay updated with new tips for better health. Share any thoughts or questions in the comments below. See you in the next one.